Hey guys and girls, Cathe of the YouTube channel Atypical 60 and myself, Julia of Blonde Wig Reviews, we wanted to do a quick video about fabric softener being used to wash synthetic wigs. Whether it's Facebook wig and topper pages or Facebook wig and topper groups or comments that are left on Instagram, there are people out there telling wig wearers to use fabric softener on their wigs, and that is the absolute worst thing you can do. I learned this through experience. I had a Raquel Welch editor's pick wig that I washed in fabric softener. Not only did it destroy the wig, and how it destroyed it was, the wave pattern went limp, the cap became very loose and saggy and just gross. Now, Cathe of the YouTube channel Atypical 60 had a similar experience with her Estetica Designs Wren wig.
I put it in fabric softener, and I left it in fabric softener for, I think, about maybe 15 minutes because I got waylaid, and then I went back, and I was just like, holy shit, what the hell happened? The whole cap was like, it got so soft from the fabric softener that it was like stretched out. And when the wig dried, like it was just horrible.
Oh God. And
like, it was really horrible. So after that, I was just like, screw it. I am never using fabric softener again. And I never did.
And this was Wren in what color?
It was like the R6. It was like the brown R6 something. It was like a darker brown.
Did it change the color at all?
No, it didn't change the color at all. It just changed the whole like aesthetics of the wig. The texture of the fibers was just like ridiculously, just like soft. The wig just went like limp and floppy.
Oh.
And even the cap, which Estetica makes a great cap, it was just like the wig was ruined.
Oh, that's awful.
And you know what? It was awful, but I learned a lesson. For me, washing the wigs without fabric softener seems to work better. I think it gives a better life to the wigs.
Avoid fabric softener. Instead, buy wig shampoo and other products from online wig retailers or at a wig shop near you. You can also check out my other video about 2 cheap products that you can purchase at Dollar General, Walmart, or local pharmacies. Inexpensive, easy to get, that you can use to take care of your synthetic wigs. Be sure to subscribe to Cathe's Atypical 60 YouTube channel and my Blonde Wig Reviews YouTube channel, as we have wig reviews, color comparisons, and other great videos concerning all things wigs. Subscriptions are free, and you'll receive alerts every time we post a video. Well, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.